Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to build an awesome patio like this for under 200 bucks. Let's go. So this patio started out as a 15 by 13 slab of stone and concrete. Looked like this. And over the course of a day, I removed all the rocks and blasted out the concrete, and it became just a pile of packed sand. And this stuff is just pea gravel. You get it at Home Depot in the 50-pound bag, and they're less than $5 each. Now these vertical posts, as well as the border posts, are called landscape ties, and they're from Home Depot, also less than $5 a piece. Basically what I did is I made sure this area right here was level, and I laid these down. I packed dirt on this side of it and pebbles on the other side so they'd stay in place. And then I dug a hole with my post hole digger and put the vertical board in. I have 2 feet underground, 6 feet above ground. I made sure the corners were nice and square and did the same in the other corner. And the brown stuff you see down here is grass seed. It's this really good stuff that should grow grass nice and strong in less than 2 weeks. And then I found these really awesome solar lights on Amazon for 30 bucks. It's a 45-foot string. It looks really nice at nighttime when it's all lit up. So how much stone did it take? Well, this is 45 bags worth. I did 40 bags at first, and then waited a week or two till all of it settled down from us walking and playing on it, and then I dumped the remaining 5 bags in the low spots. And the reason I have all these bags here is because I'm actually extending this out to make the patio about double the size. I'll be sure to post a follow-up video once that's complete. You see, I originally wanted to have a concrete slab here, but the cheapest price I got quoted was $5,000. So, for around 200 bucks, this is a really good area for the family and the kiddos to play in, and it was done cheaply. Thank you guys for watching.